Okay, just share the meeting with him. Copy link and then कहाँ जा रही हो? 1 minute here. I should mention here. So share the screen. So first of all, see Adarsh on your camera. What happened to you? Adarsh. The first of all, I'll tell you some person. If you're not getting this, I'll just tell you the basic concept of this. Okay. So I just tell you, any term is given to you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So first term is always A, that you know, A or A1 you can say, right? Second term is A2, third term is A3, fourth term is A4. Like this, keep on going this, right? So A7, this is the last term in this series, in this above, right? This is the last term we can say. A1 is the first term, and then A2 is the second term. Like this, keep on going, okay? So if I want to add A6, so what you should write here? A plus n minus 1. This much you know, I think, Praharshan, right?
Yes, sir, this much I remember.
So 2 plus 6 minus 1 into D. D difference, you know, how to find difference? Tell me, Samar, Praharshan. 4 minus 2, right? So 2. The 2 plus 7, 5 into 2. That is how much? 12 will come, correct? This much you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Some formula, Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Same formula till from here to here is the same formula over here, this much. And n by 2 division and multiplication of 2 here inside. This is the extra is coming in this sum part. Okay, it's clear.
Yes.
That's it. See, this much only. Okay, this much is extra coming over here. One more formula is there, that is n by 2 into n by 2 into what? A plus L, or you can say n by 2 into A plus An, last term, right? One more formula is there. If start sum of natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dash 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 till n. So what is the formula here, Samarth, for this?
Sir,
What is the formula if 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash 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 till n? So what is the formula for this?
to do A equals to 1, D equals to 1. So n equals to
Sn formula, you know directly. Sn formula, Drishi, do you
Yeah.
know this?
Sir, it's the same now.
Which one? Which formula?
The n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
This is common for everything. If you want to directly formula, we can write it as n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is a direct formula. Suppose you
Okay,
want the natural number from 1 to 10, suppose. Okay, so here 10 is there. So direct sum if you want is 10. So you can write here 10 into 10 plus 1 divide by 2. This you don't know, Samar, this formula? N into n plus by 1 by 2. Did
Sir,
you
I
remember?
know that, sir. Just a minute, let me check.
Leave, don't check. You should know. No, that's why should check that. Okay,
Okay,
fine.
I was checking by putting the values.
Answer will come same only. Means
It's coming, sir. 2 plus n minus 1 into 1. Then
which
n
one
by
which
2 into, it will
huh?
be n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So n plus 1. Yeah, correct only.
Correct only, right?
Yeah.
So one more thing is coming. Some question will come like uh, the sum or the sum of three terms of an AP is. mm, Suppose I'm telling you
6 UT.
18. The sum of three terms of an AP is 18, and product of these terms is, I'm just telling you right now, 1 minute. This I'm writing 21. First I'll write here 21. Okay. This one is 21. And product of I'm writing here, product is 315. So find the three terms. Which term will come? Find the three terms. Who can find this?
Yeah,
Just
it's
find.
simple.
So for product, should we use n into n plus 1 by 2 formula?
No, product is not there only formula. Product of three AP term I'm asking here. Product of the three terms of the AP. Product, there is no formula for product, Shreyas. If you know only this thing, then only you can do.
Okay,
I
sir.
think I mean to say, if first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. It means you have to multiply like this. Okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
But this formula will not be acceptable over here. I think you can't find anyone who can do this, children. Just tell me. Drishi, Chanchal, Rasool, Shreyas, can you on your cameras?
Yes, sir.
Rasool,
Sir, I'm sorry.
anyone who can do this question, just write in the chat box who can do. Others, can you do this question? Samarth, can you do this?
Yes, sir, I have half done. Just one step remaining.
Half done. Wow.
Yeah, just one step is remaining.
Okay. How to do Praharshan? Do you know this?
So take A plus D and A plus 2D, just add all of them up equals to 21.
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
Multiply them.
Itself sent. Yeah, answer is correct. But how you find, Shreyas?
Sir, first we have to add it, sir. A plus D, A plus 2D equals to 21.
Acha, like this you have done. A plus 2D is equals to 21, right? This, right?
Yes, sir.
So 3A plus 3D is equal to 21. So A plus D is equal to 7, like this.
Yes, sir.
Then you have done same. A into
A
A
into A
plus
plus D into A plus 2D equals to 350.
315. Like then A plus D formula you have put in here. 7, right?
Yes, sir.
And then A here, what you'll write for A? 7 minus D, like this you have written.
Yes, sir.
Then A plus 2D. What you'll write in here? The same thing you should write. A plus 2D, what you should write here? Tell me, Shreyas.
Yes.
Tell me. Instead of A plus 2D, what I should write? Can you speak out?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what you have done. Anything, what you have
Sir,
written?
A plus 2D, instead of A, we can write it sorry, sir. Instead of like,
Say.
so we
Well,
have taken A equals to 7 minus D, right?
wait.
So
I remove everything. No problem. Just tell me what you have written. That's it. Leave this part. Now you tell me instead of this what I should write.
Sir, I multiplied it, sir.
You have multiplied this a with inside.
Yes, sir.
So what I should write? Tell me, no problem. Tell me what I should write down.
So first, above equation that a plus d equals to 7, I took d equals to 7 minus a.
Fine. All right. I have written also. Next step.
And substitute that d value in the below equation.
Acha, okay. So I should write here a, then a plus 7 minus a like this.
Yes, sir.
Then a plus 2 into 7 minus a like this. You are done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, a and here a will get cancelled, so we'll get 7. Again here a plus 14 minus 2a, correct, is equal to 315. Then again what will get? 7a in bracket, again what you get? 14 minus a is equals to 315. Like this you have done, same way.
Yes, sir.
So 14 sevens are? Have you done like this? 7a square minus 98a and then plus 315 is equals to 0. In the same way you have done.
Yes, sir.
So what you are getting the value of a here dividing by 7 everything, right? So if you divide by 7, what you get here? You will get it as a square minus 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28.
Minus 14a plus 45.
Like this you have done. So what is a by bifurcation, splitting the middle term you can get, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here a square, what you'll get? 95, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 5a plus 45 is equals to 0. So a is equals to, you'll get 9 and 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you put 9 here, the difference you'll get it as, if you put a is equals to 9, then d is equals to, you'll get 7 minus 9, that is minus 2. If you put a is equals to 5, then you'll get here 2 only. Difference is 2 or minus 2, correct children?
Yes.
Yes.
Difference can be 2 or minus 2. So this part is correct. No problem, you can do in this way. But if something will come, this is long, it's coming long, no? So long. So all of you do the same method or different method you have tried?
Yeah, I was also doing as the same method.
Acha. The one extra method I'm telling you today, anyone knows the extra part of it? Because sometimes this will come so complicated. This question I've given easy, that's why it's coming so easy here. See,
Sir,
then
just
anyone
put
know
the
some
values
other method? Anyone of you know some other method? Chanchal?
No, sir.
See, I'm telling you today one different method over here. If 3 terms is asked to you, okay, then what you do is, middle term you take a, left term you take a minus d, and right term you can take a plus d. Means a is coming in between first term, like this second term. You add difference to the right hand side and subtract difference to the left hand side. If 3 terms are coming, why we are doing this? Because see, if you put these 3 terms for here, no, directly you will get the value of a, directly you will get. See?
Yeah, we will get a equals to 7.
So if you put directly here, if you add, you will get what? It's 21. So here directly d and d is cancelling over here. 3a is equals to 21. So a is equals to what you'll get? 7.
7.
So this is quite easier, that because directly you are getting the answer of a from the first equation itself. It's clear. And a directly you can put in the second equation what you get. It's clear to everyone? Samar, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Praharshan?
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain again, sir?
What I'm saying that if you want to write the 3 terms in AP, so middle term you write it as a, left and right you just subtract and add a difference into it. So a minus d and a plus d you can write for 3 terms. 3 consecutive terms of AP, you can write it like this. It's clear, Shreyas?
Yes, sir.
If 4th term is asked, what to do for 4th term? Anyone can tell me? So this will not be start from a. You should start from a minus d and a plus d only, correct? And next term what should come here and what should come here? Tell me.
A minus
What?
2D and A plus 2D.
No. You are saying A minus 2D and A plus 2D, correct?
Yeah, but in the middle A must be there, right?
No, A should not come only. 4 terms are there, then how middle term for A should come?
Yeah, okay.
If it is odd numbers, then only A will come in the middle. So this part is wrong. This part is wrong. Why it's wrong, you know? Because here difference, if you see, the here difference is only D, and here difference is 2D. Just see, A minus D and A
Yes.
plus D. What is the difference coming? Just check over here and you check here.
2.
You'll get difference is different, right?
Yes.
See, I'm just showing in front of you. A plus D minus A plus D. So here difference is how much coming? 2D is coming for this too. Here difference I'm just showing to you. A plus 2D minus A minus D. So what do you get here? A cancel. So your answer difference is only D. So difference is not same. How this is in AP? It's not in AP only, right?
Yes.
Chanchal, it's clear to you what I'm writing here. No, nothing is going to your head. It's going.
Sir, getting
Shreyas, you are getting this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
But for fifth term, you can write this. So again, I'm writing fourth term. What to write for fourth term then? Tell me, think and tell me what to write for fourth term. If this is not the correct answer, then what
So
should we write for fourth term?
A minus D and A plus D are the same. So A
Yeah,
minus 3D and A plus 3D we can do.
yeah, A plus 3D and A minus 3D, because difference is 2D we require, right? So this is the correct answer for four terms. It's clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now for 5 terms, if you require 5 terms, then the same procedure you should start. Middle you
Yeah.
write A
3
only.
difference.
Yeah, A plus D, A minus D. Here difference is A only, so write here. Here difference is only D. Here difference is only D. Now A plus 2D, and here is A minus 2D. That's it. Understood, everyone? For 5 items we should do like so. Keep on doing like this, not a problem. I think it's clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Drishi, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me for 7 terms, what you should write for 7 terms, Drishi?
So the middle term will be A,
Okay.
then उसके पहले will be A minus D.
A minus
Before
D.
that, yeah,
Okay.
before that will be A minus 2D, and before that will be A minus 3D. And then it's the same on the other side, but with plus.
Okay. What about 6th term? What about 6th term? Tell
Difference
me.
will get 3D.
First you should write here what? A.
A
So
minus
the
D.
middle two terms will be A minus D and A plus D. And
Hmm.
then it'll be the next previous in the next term will be A minus 3D plus, and then the other will be A plus 3D. And then on the again it'll be A minus 5.
Okay, fine. It's clear to everyone how we are writing, Chanchal? Okay. So fine. So shall I give one question based on this? I'll give you the sum of 4 terms of AP. 4 terms of AP is 14 and product is 120. Find all the terms. Find all the terms of it.
Sir, I was getting A equals to 3.5.
Huh? What you're getting?
A equals to 3.5.
A is equal to 3.5.
Yeah.
Is it? I don't think. Anybody else? What do you get? Drishi, what do you Praharshan, Samarth, Chanchal? Why people are off your camera, all of you?
Sir,
it off?
I got a 7/2. I'm solving after that.
7/2. Let me check. A minus D, A plus D. And here,
Sir, I also got the same rate, 3.5.
let me check. I don't know. A is 3.5 is coming.
Yeah.
Here is 3.1 minute. A plus BD is equals to 14 is coming, right? So here this get cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's coming like this. A is equal to 7/2. And here, acha, okay. Fine, A is equal to 7/2, no? Okay, this may be correct. Okay, fine. There are 4 terms, no? So this may differ because here none of the term is 7/2. Okay, you can do the find the difference here, then you'll get to know. Find the difference part, then you'll get to know. One problem and then we do on our own. Okay, Shreyas, this part you understood, right? Shreyas?
Yes, sir.
The second part, what you should multiply? A minus 3D in bracket, A minus 3D in bracket. You should multiply now. Okay, Shreyas?
Yes.
This you can do. This I taught you already, right? Only this is formula based. Nothing, you should not think anything over here. A is 7/2. Now what we can do? This two term you can combine. So what we can write here? A square minus D square. And here you can write A square minus 9D square is equals to 120. Now A value you can put over here now. What you'll get? 49/4 minus D square. Again here 49/4 minus 9 in D square is equals to 120. Now you have to both you can solve. You have to multiply this and this, again this and this. You'll get the value of D now. You can solve for D.
Yes.
After getting solved for D, you have to put the values over here. Means in this whole thing, okay, you have to put the values. Sorry, here first only you can do. Because first number is A minus 3D. Second number is A minus D. Third number is A plus D. Fourth number is A plus 3D. So like this D value you have to solve over. If you put in the first part, you'll get the answer. Solve for D. What you're getting is check.
Yes.
It's going so lengthy, no? This one 49/4 into 49/4.
Sir, that solution I have sent you the screenshot. Actually, it's not solvable after that.
Okay, fine. You are not able to solve this after that, right?
No, till that point it's only solvable. No more simplification is possible.
So 49/4 into 49/4. So what do you get here? 2401 by 16, right?
So you're multiplying it. Okay.
We have to multiply only. What extra thing you can do?
No. I was just thinking it was common.
And the same, what you can take common here? You can't take no common. Now 49 by 4 into 9d square. You can't cancel over here, but you can write here 49 into 9. 49 into 9. That is 441. Minus you can write 441 d square divided by what you can write 4. Because this is going to multiply with this one as well as this one, right?
Yes.
Again d square with this. So what we'll get? Minus 49 d square divided by 4. And plus you can write 9d to the power what? 4 is equals to 120.
Sir, what is the final answer?
Final answer. 1 minute. It's coming 14 here, right?
Sir, I'm getting 8.6.
1 minute. 14 we are getting. No. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Mhm. 9, 7, 5, 3. Final answer. We'll get the final answer. I have taken like this only. The 14, 4a by 14. 120 should be there. Answer is 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 2, 3, 4, 5. This sum and product is 2, 3, 4, 5. You are taking the same thing. Just check. You should get like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, if you get a equals to 3.5, then the middle a plus d will d equals to 0.5.
Huh. So 0.5 if you add to 7 by 2, you'll get same answer. Only 3 and 4, right? This you got?
No, sir.
You are doing the same way what I have done here.
No, sir, I did the other way.
Other way. Okay. So 2401 you can bring down to other side if you need. Again you have to means d to the power 4 is there. Now the d to the power 4 is equal to something you should let here p square. D to the power 2 is equal to p you let. And then you can let here d to the power 4 is equal to p square. So you have to solve first this part. So what you can do here, if you want, you can just send this one to the other side. You can send. Okay. So what we can write here, 441 minus 441 d square minus 49 d square minus 9 4s are 36 d to the power 4 divided by, here 4 is the LCM, and this I sent to other side, 120 minus 2401 divided by 16. Again d square, you just combine this both. So 441 and 49, what do you get? 9 1 10. Again 549 and 490. 490 d square minus 490 d square minus 36 d to the power 4 is equal to, solve this one. 16 is the LCM. So 120 into 16. Actually, this won't ask that hard to people. Means 3 marks they'll come. Means 3 terms they'll may ask. So this is 1920 minus 2401. 24. So you'll get minus 481. You get minus 481 divided by 16. And here you'll get minus 490 d square minus 336 d to the power 4.
You will get
Again,
30 point something.
huh?
After that, you will get 481 by 16. That's 30 point something.
Why to change this one? This you can multiply again here. This so many things will be there, right? So 30
Yeah.
point. So here it's going complicated actually. This one. See again, you should multiply here with 16. Then you become proper fraction, right? Just go longer, but the same way you have to do. Okay, same is the process is same. So it will come in the this which form this will come? X square plus x plus something is equal to 0. So you can this quadratic equation will become, because d square you have later as p square, d to the power 4 you later as p square, and d square is what? P. It's going so
Then you
big.
can just cancel the minuses all over it.
Yeah, that you can do. Okay, so who is attending today? That today's reasoning class and all is there, right? Who is going to attend today? Children. Drishi, you are attending? Others?
No, sir.
Sir, what's the use of that class?
Use of that class. Use of that class.
Sir, I mean, we won't use it now anyways. We have board exams. So what's the use right now? Vedic maths I can understand, but logical and reasoning.
In half an hour, what you can do extra that by reading that? You tell me that one. If you half an hour attend the class, you can understand something, right? If you not attend the class, the what point you'll get, what extra you'll get, that you just tell me after the class, okay? You don't attend the class, and without attending, you tell me what you can, what you got extra. Perhaps the same thing people
Sir,
are.
nothing will come extra if
Sir,
I don't attend
data
this.
saving, sir. It's saving data, sir.
Saving
Without
it.
attending classes.
Yeah, that only you can save.
Sir, but still, like, we don't have any exams related to this logical and reasoning anymore. Like, so what's the practical use of it?
See, in your whole life, right, person, when you go, no, everywhere you should use logical, reasoning, aptitude, and English. This
By
four
the
subjects.
time I forget whatever I learn now, sir, that's the thing.
This not forgetting. When you'll get revised, no. Suppose next time if you read something, and before you know, means something will get extra. I've heard this one. Means you'll get more interest next time. Like that, it happens. So if you read anything next time, it will become you'll get more interested in that way.
Okay.
And if you're really thinking that no, it's not useful, that's thing and all, then we can't do anything. But wherever you get the knowledge, you should get. You have seen 3 Idiots, no? Whatever the knowledge you are getting, just grab from everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, I'm leaving between 10 minutes before, 20 minutes before children told you, You can just leave, and if you want to attend the class, you can attend, you'll get helpful. Okay. So today I'm leaving everyone. You can leave for the day, all of children.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Good night, children. Thank you.